Hello, I'm Chris Ray, Program Director of Welding at Spartanburg Community College. In this region, there's manufacturing, production jobs, also construction. We are primarily focused toward construction, particularly pipe welding. And if students are willing to relocate or travel, the sky's the limit. In addition to manufacturing, there's also fabrication, some fab shops around. A lot of times people want to learn the skill and maybe open their own business. And we have a lot of students who do that. We have a General Technology Associate in Applied Science. And for students who want to go on and earn the associate or 2-year degree, a lot of times they'll take a secondary specialty such as machine tool, heating and air. We also now have an advanced fabrication class where we've added field welding, where we're actually outdoors in the elements, working at a position like you're going to see in real life. We have a total of 5 full-time instructors and 3 adjuncts. In addition to being experienced welders themselves, certified welders, some of them are also certified welding inspectors, certified welding educators. What I find really special about teaching and helping people learn the skill, first of all, it's a skill they're going to take with them the rest of their lives. You know, see that light bulb go off when it clicks and finally, oh, you know, that's how I do it. You know, when everything comes together and everything starts to flow. It really is, it's very rewarding for students and for us. They have a career that's going to last a lifetime.